Hello, and thank you for stopping by my channel where we talk about the outdoor adventures I go on and the gear I use to make things more enjoyable in the backcountry. Today we are going to talk about a Christmas gift I got last year, which I thought I would never find a use for, but has quickly become one of the items that I bought other models of and use on a every time basis when I'm in the backcountry. And that is the Gear-Aid Heroclip. I have the medium and the mini. Let's talk about them. So each of them has this great thing of a 360-degree swivel, a rubber foot to keep it from sliding, a solid aluminum hook, and then an enclosure clip. This is also solid aluminum. So what I most often do is I put the enclosure here on my backpack, and then I use the hook to hang it up off the ground. So I use the mini with my day packs and the items that I use on a regular basis that I just want to keep off the ground, especially when I'm using a pit toilet or other restroom while on trail, or even when I'm just traveling around with my kids and I'm going to hang it on a tree or on a clothesline. And then I use this larger one, the medium one, for hanging up things like my fully enclosed backpack. The mini is primarily used for water bottles, hanging it off my back or my belt, helmets for keeping my bike helmets off the ground. A lot of people use them for mugs. They've got a 40-pound capacity, so like I said, I use them on my everyday day pack. The medium, a lot of people use for hanging light bikes or wetsuits, water filters for gravity feeds. I use it for, like I said, keeping my ultralight gear set up off the ground, or heck, even my regular backpack when I'm backpacking off the ground, as it's got a whopping 60-pound maximum capacity. So I have yet to find something that I'm truly trying to get off the ground that I can't use. They do offer a larger one that has a 100-pound capacity that they recommend using for things like kayaks and coolers and strollers. I haven't gotten one of the big ones yet because I don't have a need for it, but I promise you if I ever did, I totally would. So like I said, it's, they are something that somebody got me that I was like, oh, I will never use, and I use them more than I thought I ever would. In fact, I hardly use regular carabiners anymore. So this is the Heroclip by Gear-Aid. Like I said, absolutely fantastic. And to get them all set back up, you just simply swivel these back, pull them around, pull that back, set it in, put your clip, and now it won't swivel on you, and you can clip it to where you need it to go. So until next time, thank you for stopping by and learning more about this gear, and I hope to talk to you again soon. Happy trails.